Hello and welcome to iIntelligence iTechnology. It is 21st August 2026, and these are the stories that matter today. Apple gears up for September iPhone 18 launch, Pro Max tipped to feature variable aperture camera. Details. Ahead of Apple's September event, where the company is expected to unveil the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max, Tipster Eyes Universe claims Apple may reserve the rumored variable aperture primary camera for the Pro Max model. India orders removal of Google Firebase accounts after spotting scam pattern. Online scams have become one of India's most pressing law enforcement challenges, with Indians losing nearly $2.4 billion in alleged cyber fraud in 2025, according to government data. For years, the government has gone after scammers by ordering their websites removed. The Investor's Guide to TechCrunch Disrupt 2026. Everything you need to know. Year after year, investors who have explored the expo halls, met founders, and learned from peers have proven why you need to be on the ground at Disrupt this year. US teen drops lawsuit against Meta, Google and Snap ahead of trial. The plaintiff, a 15-year-old girl from New Jersey identified in California court records as P.M.Y., had alleged the platform's owners, Meta Platforms, Google and Snap Inc., contributed to her social media addiction, depression and self-harm. A third of web pages published since ChatGPT's launch show signs of AI authorship, study finds. ChatGPT and other AI models are now authoring and editing much of the new web. AI reshapes India's IT services sector contracts as clients demand more for less. Industry executives also say they are losing some work entirely as customers use AI to shift tasks in-house, while all the uncertainty that the new technology has brought is resulting in shorter contracts. Early Cerebra's investor Adit Singh joins Mayfield as infrastructure partner. At Mayfield, Singh will focus on semiconductor, cybersecurity, and physical AI investments. The Economic Times Startup Awards 2026 nominees for Startup of the Year and Midas Touch. We are excited to bring to you the 12th edition of the Economic Times Startup Awards, ETSA. A few days before our esteemed jury convenes to pick the winners, we reveal nominees for the most coveted categories, Startup of the Year and Midas Touch for the Best Investor. Ramp launches its own AI model router, called Router. Ramp has launched its own AI model routing service, dubbed Router, that lets users and companies use and switch between various large language models via an API. ET Startup Awards 2026 nominees for Midas Touch. The Midas Touch Award recognizes the most lucrative exit of the year. The decision will be based on both the number of deals and the size of the exit. Senators demand answers from TikTok over experiment that disables safeguards. The safeguard was designed to prevent users from being overwhelmed by harmful content, but TikTok wanted to determine whether it made the app less engaging. ET Startup Awards 2026 nominees for Startup of the Year. The ET Startup of the Year will be characterized by breakthrough innovation, top-class execution and fast-paced growth. The quality of the founding and management team will be an important component in decision-making. Meta brings Pocket, an app that lets you wipe code and share games, to US users. Meta is bringing Pocket, its experimental AI-powered app for creating and sharing interactive games, to users across the US after quietly testing it in Brazil. API Holdings, parent of Pharmacy and Thyrocare, narrowed its Q1 FY27 loss to 29.6 crore rupees from 145.4 crore rupees a year earlier, while revenue grew 10% to 1,754 crore rupees. EBITDA turned positive at 39.3 crore rupees. The company also became debt-free after repaying 1,050 crore rupees. Shiprocket stock jumps post-debut, ETSA 2026 Women Ahead, Social Enterprise nominees. Shiprocket shares extended their strong listing day gains with a 6% jump on Thursday. This and more in today's eTech Top 5. That is all for this bulletin from iIntelligence iTechnology. If this update kept you informed, subscribe and turn on notifications. We publish fresh bulletins through the day. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.